When it comes to motorcycle artistry, few names command respect like Francis Von Tuto. Behind this alias stands Italian craftsman Francesco Tutino, a man who has been shaping two-wheeled masterpieces since 2000. His approach to bike building has always been rooted in precision and passion, focusing on quality over quantity. Every project he touches transforms into something extraordinary, and his latest creation, a fully reimagined 1976 Honda CB400F Super Sport, might just be his finest work yet. This vintage Honda, already a classic among collectors, was the perfect canvas for Francesco's meticulous creativity. The base bike had been previously restored and maintained in excellent condition, giving him a solid foundation to build upon. The heart of the machine, its engine, was mechanically sound, so it only needed a few refinements to match the builder's high standards. A new Dynatek ignition system was added for better spark precision, and the breathing was enhanced through refurbished carburetors paired with K&N pod filters. To complement the improved intake, the exhaust headers received a ceramic coating and were connected to a custom stainless steel muffler, producing a deep, throaty note that suits the bike's vintage soul. Up front, the cockpit area has been completely modernized while retaining a touch of retro charm. A tall chrome handlebar with integrated bar end turn signals gives the rider an assertive posture. The original analog dials were replaced by a sleek, minimalist digital unit sourced from Daytona, neatly mounted behind a 4.5-inch LED headlight. The headlight itself sits on a custom U-shaped tubular bracket, designed with both strength and elegance in mind. The front fender, crafted by hand, now sits higher than before, giving the CB400F a more muscular stance. Francesco's perfectionism didn't stop there. The forks were fully rebuilt, ensuring that the handling feels as sharp and responsive as when the bike first left the Honda factory nearly 5 decades ago. Both the front and rear braking systems were reconditioned to match the bike's renewed performance credentials. At the rear, things get even more interesting. The stock suspension was swapped out for adjustable gauzy shock absorbers that are 30 millimeters longer than the original units, giving the motorcycle a slightly raised and sportier silhouette. The subframe was shortened and cleaned up to achieve a sleek bobber-like tail design. A custom handmade bench seat covered in premium black leather was fitted on top, exuding both comfort and sophistication. For illumination, multifunction LED lights were integrated seamlessly into the rear section, serving as tail lights and turn signals in one, a clean, minimalist setup. The factory fuel tank and side covers were retained, but completely transformed through a stunning new paint job. The tank wears a deep brown hue, with large vintage Honda logos, while the side covers proudly display Francesco's initials, a subtle signature of excellence. The fenders shine in glossy silver, perfectly contrasting the darker tones of the bodywork. The wheels, now powder-coated black and wrapped in Dunlop TT100 tires, provide a timeless look with modern performance. Every nut, bolt, and bracket has been restored or replaced to ensure mechanical integrity and aesthetic perfection. Even the engine casing has been polished to a brilliant shine, reflecting the hours of careful craftsmanship poured into this build. The result is nothing short of breathtaking. Francis Von Tuto's custom Honda CB400F represents the perfect marriage between vintage design and modern execution. It's a motorcycle that commands attention not through loud styling, but through its flawless details and balanced proportions. From the polished metal to the refined color scheme, every inch of this bike speaks of devotion, patience, and artistry. Francesco Tutino once again proves that true craftsmanship lies in not building many bikes, but in creating timeless pieces that inspire admiration for generations. This CB400F isn't just a motorcycle, it's a moving work of art that defines what perfection on two wheels truly looks like.